Let's make this simple, easy, but very flavorful and delicious tomato stew. Oh my, this was very nice. Okay, trust me, you can pair this with anything, okay, that you can use, you can pair your stew with. If today is the first time clicking on my video, hello handsome, hello beautiful. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, please, after watching, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. So I have with me here my eggs. I have boiled it very well. I boiled some earlier, but it wasn't enough, and we are going to boil this as well. So now, whilst that is on fire, I blended my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, aniseed, my thyme, rosemary, and I blended it with oil. So that is what I've poured in my cooking pot. We are just going to leave this on fire until it is well cooked, and then I'll get back to you. So after some few minutes, this is how it looks. It has cooked very well. When it fries perfectly or it cooks perfectly, you are going to see the oil on top. If today is the first time here, or you've been with me for some time now and you haven't subscribed or followed, please do so for me. They don't take money. Okay, thank you so much for doing it because I trust you. Okay, now our eggs are ready, and my 3-year-old daughter is helping me to remove the shells. Okay, she has been helping me of late in the kitchen. Okay, yeah, so after we are done peeling everything, we will continue. Now she is done peeling it, and this is what we got. Okay, we are going to fry that in the oil. I mean, you can omit this stage, okay, but I am going to fry it, and that is how I want it. Okay, trust me, if you do it this way, it also tastes good and you will love it. Okay, yes, just look at that, so beautiful. So we are going to leave this on fire whilst we concentrate on the stew. We don't want it to burn. Now I'll go ahead and add my tomato paste and then give it a stir. And just look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious already, and this place is on fire. It's smelling good. Okay, now after some few minutes, like 10 minutes, this is how it looks, and oh my goodness, it is tasting good already. Yes, so please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. You will love it. Okay, if you want short videos, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and our YouTube Shorts. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always leaving everything that you are doing to come and watch me. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. Okay, yes, now we are going to add our tomato sauce. So this is only tomatoes. Okay, yes, and we have some basil in there and also oregano. So it is not only tomatoes, so fresh tomatoes, oregano, and basil. Okay, I will give it a stir, and then we are going to leave this on fire for some few minutes. After that, I'll be with you, but make sure the fire is not high. Okay, it should be under it, very low. The fire should be very low under it. Okay, yes, now after some few minutes again, this is how the stew is looking. It looks so delicious and very flavorful. I'm just going ahead to add my shrimp powder and then give it a stir. If you don't like the shrimp powder, please, you can omit it. If you want to use crayfish, like brothers and sisters from Nigeria, if you want to use crayfish, you can go ahead and use your crayfish. Okay, it will taste very good. If you don't want crayfish or shrimp powder, you can prepare this just like that. It will taste good. And then I will add my fish powder. That is, you can use any fish of your choice. Okay, I'll give it a stir, and just look at how thick the stew looks, and look at the color. So beautiful, delicious, and flavorful. You can pair this with your wache, your yam, anything that you've been pairing your stew with. Okay, now our eggs are ready. We are going to remove it from the oil and then add it to the stew. I'm very sorry that part of the video was like that. Okay, I actually filmed it for the short videos, but I realized that someone may ask me, how is the egg looking this way? So I decided to add that to the video. I'm very sorry. Okay, yeah, I'll give it a stir. So with this stew, we are not going to add anything to it. We are just using only the eggs, yes, to prepare this stew, and trust me, it tasted good. Now I'm going to add my good stock to it, and oh my goodness, it took it to the next level. Yes, it took it to the next level, and this added some taste and flavor to the stew. At this moment, I have not added any seasoning, any salty seasoning to my stew. It can be salt or any seasoning that is salty to the stew, because my good meat stock is already nice, and the shrimp powder and the fish powder I added to the stew will add taste to it already, so there will be no need. Okay, but you taste it when you are preparing yours, and if the salt is not okay, you just add anything that will add taste to your stew. Now this is how the stew looks, so delicious. And we pair this with our wachi, our stew, our jollof, and oh my gosh, it was so nice. Okay, maybe you can't see it was so, let me just show you how the stew looks. Just look at that, so beautiful. Yeah, very, very beautiful and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, please do not forget to eat healthy, take good care of yourself, and love yourself first. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.